Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English for 5 minutes. Today we are going to learn about 15 special words that start with re. I suggest you to write down and memorize the words so you can use them in your daily life. Okay, let's get started. Before we learn the 15 special words, let's understand what re means. The prefix re literally means again, indicating repetition, restoration, or returning to a previous state. An easy way to understand this concept is to imagine when you have to do the same action again because what you did wasn't perfect and you want to fix it. At the time, the prefix re will be used. I know you will feel confused, but don't worry, you'll understand the concept by the end of this video. Okay, now let's learn the first word. The first word is rebuild, meaning to construct again after damage or destruction. As an example, after the fire, they have to rebuild their house from the ground up. Renew, meaning to begin again or restore to a former state. An example, they decide to renew their vows on their 25th wedding anniversary. Replay, meaning to play back or repeat an event or action. As an example, he likes to replay old video games levels to beat his high score. Reconnect, meaning to establish a connection again. Example, after years apart, they were able to reconnect and rebuild their friendship. Revisit, meaning to visit again. Example, she decides to revisit her favorite vacation spot from childhood next year. Recharge, meaning to feel something with energy again. Example, don't forget to recharge your phone before you go out tonight. Reevaluate, meaning to assess or evaluate again. Example, they want to reevaluate their marketing strategy after poor sales results. Recreate, meaning to create something again. Example, after losing the original documents, they have to recreate the entire project from scratch. Recap, to summarize the main points again. Example, the teachers ask the students to recap the key events of the story. Recycle, meaning to process used material into new products. Example, they encourage everyone to recycle their plastic bottles to help the environment. Redo, meaning to do again or differently. Example, she had to redo the experiments because the first results were inconclusive. Resubmit, meaning to submit again, especially after changes or corrections. Example, he has to resubmit his application after correcting some errors. Restock, meaning to refilling supplies or goods that have been sold or used up. Example, the store managers needs to restock the shelves with fresh produce. Recalculate, meaning to calculate something again, usually to correct an error or to update information. Example, we need to recalculate the budget based on the new expenses. Reapply, meaning to apply something again. Example, you should reapply your sunscreens every 2 hours. Okay everyone, you just learned 15 new words starting with re. Don't forget to memorize them and try to use them in your daily life. Thank you for learning with me. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a like and share it to your family or friends so they can learn English together with you. Until next time, everyone. Bye now.